boys and girls, welcome back with the second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday, March the 23rd, 2022. We have two puzzles left, the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary puzzle. And it's time for the binary puzzle number 4302. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. Alright. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then between 2 O's comes an 1. Then we need to compare. I think we need to compare. Yeah. Let me compare with this column and that column. O 1 1 1 1 0 empty box 1 1 0 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes a 1. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Correct. Finish in 3 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.